Hello guys, welcome to Granny Chapter 2, Part 2. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Day 1. Alright. Right, so I'm gonna play Granny 2, Part 2. Okay, this is my second part of playing Granny 2. Okay. Simming. Okay. Okay, duct tape. Oh god, okay. Oh! Wait, no, okay. Go. Where's this crowbar? Up. Okay, go. Okay, last view. Hit player gun. But to go this way. Gotta go this way there. Okay, 10 players. Okay, that closes that. Okay. I got spotted. Okay. Open. Okay. Okay. Just grandpa. Okay, she is still after me. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Close that. Okay, he's still after me. Okay, I refuse. Get it? Like, refuse. Oh, piece of a picture, whatever. Okay. I could go up here. Đó, ôi, tem sẽ tấn gần đây. Này. Don't you dare. Ready? Ready? Granny, do you want some? You want some of this? Oh yeah. Grandpa, do you want some? I just killed your wife. Grandpa? Grandpa? Just killed your wife. Grandpa? Gramps? Gramps? Just killed your wife. Baby's downstairs. He's not downstairs. They were quiet for like 5 minutes, and Grandpa's like, wait, did I? Oh, there you are, Grumps. Ooh, shot right in the shoulder. Oh, look, go. Grandpa. Let's leave this here. The security key. And yay, I get access to that camera. Okay. Let's do it. That's the area I have to be escaping. There's the other area. Oh, okay, there's the upstairs area. There's the kitchen. And the basement. I just keep slipping. Yeah, we'll just build a piece of painting. Okay. Bring last thing here. Okay. Okay, anyway. Still like that weirdly. Give this last piece. I don't know why I just do it weirdly, but just gotta throw this last one right here. Okay. Okay, putting it on. Bring it on, you two. Where are you at? Bring it on. Bring it on, you two. Bring it on, you two. Bring it on. Okay, bring it on. We have to go to the bathroom. Wait, hold on. Hold on, guys. Let's go to the bathroom real quick. Hold on. BRB. Okay. I gotta go to the bathroom. BRB.
No, guardi che ti mettevi in tiro sulla testa con la porta là dentro come sicuro.
Alright, guys. I'm back. I'm back.
Non hai sete? Oggi hai bevuto poco?
Uh,
Eh?
no, mi dai acqua. Sorry about that, guys. You know, Grandpa. I'll be right there. Ready?
Ready?
Ready. I just killed your husband. Wait. I think this is coming out there. Right. Oh, there you are. I like this music though.
Dove metto là?
Sì,
Ok.
sì, là, metti. Okay, here we go. Right now, you ready for this? Are you ready? Helicopter key. Let's see what's in here. Helicopter menu. Darren,
Yeah.
stop hitting me with your fruity.
I like hitting you with my footy.
Yeah, I know, but stop it. Darren,
What?
stop.
Okay.
Move your fruity.
I moved my footy.
To use the letters. Oh, okay. That's what I've been talking about. Another piece. Wait. Oh. Wait. I was best to do that. Okay. Guys. You. Oh my god. Oh my god, I just killed both of you. Oh my god, I killed both of you at the same time. Wait. I killed both of you at the same time. Yes. That is accessed. I need a shotgun. But speaking of weapon key. Ah. Okay. Ah. My gosh. Okay. Open that. This. Sludgery notebook. Diary. Oh yeah, shotgun. Oh, now I got both stun gun and shotgun. Oh. Now I don't need the stun gun anymore. I need a shotgun. I'm all set. Wait. Remove just the keys. Keys and bam. Okay, now access that. No. Where are you going from? Look at both directions. Ooh, circle lasts 2 minutes and 3 seconds. Perfect. Let's realize it. Okay. Okay, Grandpa. Sup? Door lock. No, my goodness. Okay, I'm still on my first day though.
Devi andare a mano del dottore, sicuro, è vero?
Penso sì.
Put this less views there. Right.
Sì, dell'estero.
Sai quella...
This here.
un paio... quando eri
And there we go.
da Gabriel.
Whoa, the helicopter. That's where I
Per
put
libri, per
the
bambini.
duct tape.
Avevano lasciato la...
Well, a
loro-
hand
la
grenade.
signora con-
Ah,
Sì, loro hanno portato Eddie.
bravo. E tu eri
Okay,
tanto
one wheel.
contento,
Sì.
vero?
Neanche il telefono non mi interessava. Subito ha
Là.
preso...
Ah,
Ha detto grazie. Ha subito preso e ha cominciato subito a
E se
costruire.
può anche fare altre robe.
Sì, questo
con-
è 3 in 1.
Ah, dai. Bellissimo. Chi dà impicciare la luce?
forse tu non ha.
Forse tu. Forse tu. Sicuro la guidare del dottore.
Okay, I just did that.
Bea,
Adesso mamma.
fuori.
Adesso Connor, dove mettermi la
Io
scritta?
posso camminare.
Okay, duct tape.
Lo so.
Tu devi fare la ginnastica.
That's where I put the duct tape. Right. Right. Here. There we go. Let's lead. Okay, the gas lead, helicopter ready on a helicopter key. I'm about to get the helicopter ready. Whoa. Okay, helicopter menu. Now here.
Capi.
Here, padlock key.
Ciao.
Whoa, it's sort of pretty right back up.
Ah,
It's here. Meat.
kod zubarica, kod doktore.
Okay, nothing.
Kod moje doktore
Nothing.
to sve radi.
Nothing. Nothing.
Danas sam riješila sve.
Nothing. And wrench. Wait, just
A da ne
this.
može utjecat na
Now I can
to.
control the
Da
helicopter.
bi trebali.
A helicopter.
Kada budemo spremni.
Okay. Okay. That's a weird thing. Okay, the helicopter key. Helicopter key is right here. Now it's gonna do upstairs, and now I'm all set to get the gasoline. Okay. Right here. fucked. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, Grandpa. What? Okay. 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 Granny. Oh, Granny. Granny. Granny, you son of a bitch. Where's that gasoline? Oh, I fall for that one. Okay, where's that stun gun? Shotgun. Where's that shotgun? Okay, shotgun is right here. Bam. I know the other way. Okay. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yep. Shoot. Oh. Oh god, I mean I'm evil. Oh my god, look at the red eyes. I think I made him. Sorry guys. Oh, look at them coming. Look at them coming. Okay. Just one more right here. Bam. And bam. Jesus. I didn't get a chance to shot Grandpa. Where's that gasoline though? Where's the... I must like shot the baby. Okay. Like it's one down here. And I still got the helicopter manual. Okay. Man, wow, I've been recording for almost 24 minutes now. And I still on today too.
I see you.
Just gonna go Geo. Shit. Okay, that didn't work. The table was in the way. Okay, that didn't work. Stupid. The table was in the way.
This is your formal president.
What the?
I see you.
Granny. What? Was that the skateboard toilet? Was that the skateboard toilet?
This skibidi toilet.
Yeah. Skateboard toilet. Okay. Okay. Well. Grandpa. Oh no, I could step up there. You did not. No. And the baby's alive now. Yes, so you. Granny. Granny. Do you want some? You want some? Oh, yeah. Oh, my. Killed by 3 times by Grandpa. And I think I gotta touch the charm. Is he invincible? Is Grandpa invincible? Oh. I totally gotta die. Wait, I haven't checked the boat yet. I haven't checked the boat. Wait, I haven't checked the boat area. Let me check the boat area. Okay. Ooh, weird sea monster. Ooh, weird sea monster. It's a weird spike trap. Spiky trap. But what the sugar got you over here? Grandpa. Bam. Finally shot him. Okay. So like gasoline was like in here somewhere. Like in the shower, you know? Wow, oh, Granny, I almost even see her there. Hey, oh, hey, Granny. Oh, trees. I was looking. Oh, okay, I'm going. Bam. Both for the road. Bam. Save key. I know. I said I have to risk it. It's the only way. Why can't I? Okay. There it is. The gasoline can. Wait, where am I even? Randy's disappearing. Sorry, I just had to, like, shut the gasoline. I have to go reset. Okay. Get the gasoline. Wait, what? Yeah. There we go. Now it's on. Okay. Let's drop this down here. There we go. Grab the helicopter key. Yeah, let's just get these helicopter key. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, guess who's leaving? The helicopter. Me. Oh yeah, I'm flying. Yeah. Oh, there goes Granny and Grandpa. Guess what, bitches? I'm leaving. With the helicopter. Oh yeah, I won. With the helicopter. Yeah, I just won Granny Chapter 2 with the helicopter ending. Po 2. Alright guys, that's the end of this Granny playing Granny 2 chapter. Oh fuck. Well, right, so right guys, that is it of playing Granny 2 chapter 2. Damn it. Well, goodbye for playing Granny 2 chapter 2. So bye bye guys.